everyone, Michelle Fixit. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing video, and we are unboxing a 50-piece set of lobster claw clasps with key rings, straight from China, via Amazon. With a very interesting tape thing. Pretty secure and in here, which is good, I guess. Alright, so I like to hang my pots and pans, so I bought these specifically to be able to hang my pots and pans. If you want to see that, there's videos on it. But its rings look to be pretty standard, look to be pretty normal weight. They open pretty easily, but not where they're going to stay open. You know, sometimes you open them up and then they just stay way open. Not too heavy, not too light, pretty standard. And then the lobster claw clasp, let's see. Pretty standard. So if you're looking to purchase some of these, they're very basic edition, not low quality, not super high quality, just your average 50-piece set of lobster claw clasp and key rings. That's it. It's a very short video. So 9 out of 10. Pretty standard stuff here. You guys have a great day. Like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye.